What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today we have an unboxing. A couple days ago I got this package from Amazon and I thought I would do an unboxing video for you. This is not a review since I've never used these products. I do know what's in here, but I thought I would open this up on camera just to show you how I'm gonna up my production game. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, here we go. Got some nice packing tape. Alright, here's the first thing. I got a nice 20-foot cable lavalier mic, so hopefully the audio quality here when I'm doing some kind of talking in the shop will get better. There's the first product. And here's the second product. The second product is more of this packing stuff. Ooh, we have an Amazon receipt. First thing, I have some studio headphones. I also have a pop filter. Oh, if I got the pop filter, I wonder what the next thing could be. Here it is. I have the Blue Yeti Blackout Edition. So let's unbox these further, and I will bring you in a little closer to give you a better view. Okay guys, we're back. We have all four products on the table saw, I mean show table. Let's start with this Nikama Superb Sound for Presentations and Video Recording lavalier mic. Here's the box, here's what it looks like. This was an Amazon purchase. If we look on the back, it says the features are a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. High-quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise and includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen. So I'm hoping to plug this into my camera so we can hopefully get some better audio while I'm recording intros and outros, and this will also allow me to possibly get more comfortable with talking during the videos instead of just doing voiceovers. But I do plan on still doing voiceovers, hence all this other stuff here, but we'll get to that in a minute. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what this looks like. Let's see. Whoops. We have a little baggie here. That could be one of the. This looks like it goes on one of the on the microphone itself, so that's cool. We have the instructions. There we go. And it comes in a nice little, what feels like leather bag. If we take this out, we have the windscreen and the battery. We have 20-foot cable and the mic that goes in. So this is going to be super cool. I'm excited to start using this for my videos, so stay tuned for that. Next we have the headphones. The headphones, the pop filter, and the microphone came as a package, so even though it is 3 items, it was really one order. So if we take this out here, got there we go. Here's these headphones. We'll take that off. We've got the clip that goes into this end. These are going to be super awesome for when I record voiceovers, and I'm starting to do a few Google Hangouts and do a few other things like that. So this will definitely be awesome for that kind of stuff. So I'm super excited to use those. The pop filter, I've never had any experience with them, but I'm not going to quite take it out quite yet, but I'm just assuming that this clamps on, this clamp here, you put onto the microphone, set it up, and you're ready to go. So there's the pop filter it came with. And then finally we have the Yeti blackout microphone. It's the brand blue, so the blue Yeti blackout edition. I know there's black, silver, I'm not sure if there are any other colors, but I went with the blackout edition partially because that's what was on Amazon. But let's go ahead and get this thing opened. Come on. It's a box inside another box. I'm so bad at boxes. Let's go ahead and open this one up. There's the cable for plugging it into the computer. Some instructions that I'm probably not going to read. Styrofoam's always good. And here's the microphone itself. Ooh, we even found one of these silica gel packs. Good to know. So, here's the microphone. There's the box. We're going to set that up, and that'll look real good in the office where I do the recording and editing of videos. Here we are one more time with the items I ordered from Amazon. To say the least, Santa was definitely good to me this year. This was part of a Christmas gift. Again, from left to right, we have the lapel mic, we have the headphones, we have the actual microphone, we have the pop filter, and then we have the cord that plugs in, that connects the microphone to the computer. This is going to be super exciting because in the next few weeks I'll be releasing some projects. I have the footage already shot for it, I just have to edit it. They were Christmas gifts, so that's why I couldn't release them until after Christmas. So in the next few weeks I'm super excited to put out some videos of the projects that I made that were Christmas gifts, and I will definitely be putting this technology and these items to good use. I hope you liked this video. I know it wasn't a project video, but it was an unboxing. I'm hoping a little bit down, a little bit down the line, once I get to use these products a little bit, I'm hoping to do a review of them. Again, this was just an unboxing, so yeah, eventually I do want to do a review, but obviously since I just took them out of the box, I can't do an honest review. These were recommended from fellow YouTubers. The lav mic was recommended from Chris Cute, Make the First Cut. The blue Yeti microphone was, if I remember right, it was recommended by Charles Deering and possibly a couple others, so go check their channels out. They have some good content. But if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you comment, subscribe, share the video, make sure you hit the bell under this video for future notifications for when I put out videos. Typically I release them on Thursdays, and we'll see you next time.